Hi guys! I've just received my new Craft O'Clock DT parcel, design team parcel. So let's see what I've got, because I've restocked some of the products that I have used, and I'll show you my favorites, and also I'll show you the novelties which have just been announced this summer by Craft O'Clock, and very soon I will show you all the papers in details. But first of all, I've restocked some sets of paper which I really like. This is a light gray mood, a very delicate paper to use whenever, wherever you want, because it's just so much suitable for every project. Very neutral. Vintage Beauty, I have not used it before, but this is gorgeous. I really liked it when I saw it online, so I'll try it soon enough. Another one, because Craft O'Clock has only 6 double-sided sheets in the 30 per 30 set, so I had to buy 2. I had to order 2, sorry. Wings of Freedom, I adore this. This is a rather new design paper set. You've probably seen when I made my masculine cards. Gorgeous steampunk mixed media set, especially for masculine projects. Ominous Marshes, witches, Halloween, wonderful. Blooming Retreat, I really like this one for wedding projects. This is quite complex mixed media paper, but it has very delicate flowers on it, so it's a great combination of rough and tender beauty. Trail of Silence is the new set, which I have not seen before. First time I just ordered it, and this is all about mountains and trekking, hiking. I think it's really interesting. And Hours of Longing is the set I probably used one of the most so far, because it's also very beautiful sepia and blue vintage tones, and I use it especially for side sheets in my notebooks. It's so perfect, you don't even need to work on it in mixed media way, because it's just already perfect enough. I also got some 20 per 20 centimeter sets: red mood, light gray mood, white beige mood, green mood. Basic paper sets for any kind of project. And as well, the Wings of Freedom smaller set, the Vintage Beauty, Silver Hat Warrior, Lost in Time, very beautiful vintage collection, Ominous Marshes again, and Blooming Retreat. The 20 per 20 set is, as always, it contains some 18 double-sided sheets, and it's thinner paper than the one we've got in the larger sets. Very suitable for albums, for making albums, because it's not so thick to glue on cardboard, so it will not make your album too thick and too heavy. Perfect density, I'd say. I also got some chipboard with clocks. I already had one before. It's a really good one. You can use it anywhere, basically. Also basic leaves, perfect for addition to any layout or cards. Lots of fussy cutting to do here. And sets of extras to cut for Ominous Marshes, Wings of Freedom, and Vintage Beauty collections. So this was my extra order, and let's see the novelties now, because Craft O'Clock has some, I'll put it away so it will not make any shades. Craft O'Clock has some new papers this summer, and these are the delicate and tender and mint and pink scent of nostalgia. Holidays in Snow is the new Christmas paper already out. Another one is Warm and Peaceful. It's already a tradition that Craft O'Clock has 2 sets of Christmas paper every year, and one is in rustic blue and brown shades, and another one, my favorite by the way, and another one in more traditional green and red colors. And the fourth paper for today is the Autumn Moods, straight for autumn. It's in the middle of summer right now, so I don't want to think about autumn yet, but it will come eventually. We will not pass, of course. These collections are, as always, they come in several different sizes of paper and extras. For example, this Autumn Mood, it comes with a 30 by 30 set, also 20 by 21, 15 by 15 centimeters, and Autumn Moods junk journal extras, and of course extras to cut, which I really love because they just make every project complete. Let's see the paper closely here. You can see that these all are about sunflowers and mushrooms and really warm, cozy autumn shades. And let's see maybe some extras. The extras are about pumpkins and more pumpkins and mushrooms and sunflowers again, leaves and flowers and more leaves. A lot of different designs to cut and to use in your autumnal projects. Definitely try it out. I will I will in September. Let's put it away, and let's see the flower set. The flower set Scent of Nostalgia also comes with smaller paper and even smaller paper, and a set of extras to cut and junk journal set. Let's see the paper. Maybe I will just open it because it will be just more obvious for people to see. And the paper is probably perfect for weddings as well. This is very, very tender. It's gorgeous. Ah, it smells freshly printed. Mint, teal, chase and pink and some light blue, and of course some rustic wood to match with the tenderness of the flowers. I love it. This is so beautiful. This will make a gorgeous romantic album, I think. Let's put it away. I assume that this sets of junk journal and extras to cut also contain a lot of very beautiful details to match with this paper. I will not open them all right now, but I'm sure they are gorgeous as always. And let's slightly see the Christmas paper now also. So warm and peaceful and holidays in snow, whichever you prefer. Warm and peaceful block of paper and the other one, and also a smaller block of paper and one more. And holidays in snow has 2 sets of extras. This is junk journal extras and extra set for cutting. Let's maybe open this one this time, junk journal. I used to make a lot of junk journals before, but I'm not making them anymore. But this set is also perfect to cut out different smaller additions to your projects to complement the larger paper sheets. For albums also it's very good. This size of paper can be used to make, you know, the unfolded envelopes for flowers. Oh, this is very nice. Some more envelopes to cut out, ready ones. Some more sweater details, very beautiful. And they repeat themselves twice. So this is the junk journal set. And also, sorry, this comes here. This is for holidays in snow. And the warm and peaceful set has also its own extras to cut and its own junk journal set and even more extras to cut. See, this one is about different fun ornamental details, and this one is for flowers purely. Let's see the flowers. Why not using lots of flowers in your Christmas projects? I actually put roses to my Christmas cards every time because I think they just suit perfectly. I have roses in my own garden and they actually bloom till December. But this is about the poinsettias and the winter berries. Very much, very many hours of fussy cutting await me, probably in the darker autumnal evenings. But it's a pleasant, relaxing job for me. And also the final thing is this chipboard set, which goes together with the Christmas collections. It's a cardboard set of quotes, and it's all about ho 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 and joy and Christmas miracles and silent night. Any kind of phrase you need for your Christmas project. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you, Craft O'Clock, for your generous design team parcel. You will find all the description in the all the links in the description below the videos. Do check Craft O'Clock papers. They are gorgeous. They are advancing. They are developing every season, and I'm very happy to have that I have been collaborating with this brand for several years already. Thank you for having me. And if you make your Craft O'Clock projects, please share with us on Facebook in our Craft O'Clock Inspiratia group. Looking forward to what you create. Thank you very much. Bye bye.